Hey guys, welcome to Adelicious and I'm Aditi. Today I bring to you a very exciting cake. It's the trending fault line cake but with all the superheroes. I had an awesome time creating it and my son just wanted to eat it the whole time I was making it. Let me show you how I made it. So for this I have filled and frosted a 6-inch cake which is 5 inch in height. I have lots of recipes on my channel, so go check them out. Take a 6-inch parchment circle and fold it in 4. Place it on top of the cake and mark the places where you have the folds. This will divide the cake in 4 quarters for the 4 superheroes. Using a ruler, draw a line where we have marked before. Now cut strips of parchment paper minimum 1 inch wide. This will help us neatly frost the 4 quarters with different color buttercreams. Place the strips along the lines. Work at 2 quarters at a time. Attach it properly so that no buttercream seeps into the adjacent quarter. I am making a Spider-Man and an Iron Man, so I am applying a thin coat of red buttercream in the middle of 2 quarters. Remove the strips and you should get these clean lines. Place the cake in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes for the buttercream to set before we frost on the other 2 quarters. Now attach the strips to frost the other 2 quarters. Apply a thin coat of green for Hulk and black for Batman. For black color, I have dyed chocolate buttercream black as it's much easier to get black with chocolate as a base. Once all the quarters are frosted, put the cake in the fridge and let's start working on the mask of the superheroes. I created the stencil of all the superheroes I want. The width of the stencil is the same as the width of the quarter. Cut the stencil. For this I need 3 colors of fondant, that is yellow, black and white. Roll them out nice and thin and cut out the mask using the stencil and an X-Acto knife. So while I'm cutting the mask, you go and follow me on Instagram if you don't. I post a lot of small cake tutorials there and I do post a lot of behind the scenes as well too. So go check out my Instagram, you can find the link in the description box below. Once all the masks are cut, attach them to their respective color quarters. Now take some buttercream dyed grey, pipe it on top of and smooth it out with a palette knife. Now pipe the buttercream on the side of the cake, no piping it on the mask. Now using a cake scraper, smooth out the sides, smooth the top using the palette knife using a sweeping motion. Fill any gaps you want and also add small dollops of white and dark grey frosting on the sides to give the cake a concrete look. Smooth again with a cake scraper, removing off the excess frosting. I have added a Captain America shield I made out of fondant on top and also added the web on the Spider-Man mask using some black cut buttercream in a parchment paper cone. Place the cake in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes for the buttercream to firm up, and then I have mixed some bronze luster dust with vodka and painted the edges of the fold line and the top edge with it. And this is what the final cake looks like. I love the way this cake turned out. I hope you like it too. If you recreate this or any of my cakes, do tag me in a picture on my Instagram, the link to which is in the description box below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more such videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.